Now that our skin and lashes are squeaky clean, it's time to nourish them and our brows with the Xtreme Lashes Amplifeye System. This system has vitamins, botanical extracts, and peptides that with daily use can make your lashes and brows appear fuller, longer, and more youthful. Even if you don't wear eyelash extensions, this is still a great product to use on a daily basis. Ideally, you do want to use these together in a system so that way you can nourish your lashes and brows from the inside and the outside. This lash and brow fortifier is a clinically studied formula that comes with a maximum concentration of proven vitamins, nutrient-rich botanical extracts, and our exclusive Amplifeye Renewal Complex. So to apply this, we'll remove some of the excess along the inner rim of the barrel, and then you'll put this on just like eyeliner, right along your lash line on the upper and lower lid. And this is more than enough product for you to use on both eyes and your brows. For your brows, we're just gonna do short strokes in the same direction that the hair grows in, massaging it gently into the skin. You do want to make sure this product fully dries before you put on any moisturizers or any cosmetics. And you can use this twice daily, morning and night, right after you cleanse your skin. The second part of the system is the Amplifeye Lash, Brow, and Hair Formula. This is a daily supplement that comes packaged separately, so make sure you take these at the same time. They have key nutrients including essential fatty acids, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidant botanicals like green tea, saw palmetto, borage, ginseng, evening primrose, and rosemary. They're scientifically formulated for longer, fuller, darker, more voluminous looking lashes and brows. Now that the Amplifeye has dried, it's time to apply the Total Eye Repair Serum to promote the skin's natural regenerative properties for youthful looking eyes. This is a concentrated, oil-free serum that has been clinically proven to hydrate, visibly firm, and reduce the appearance of aging on the delicate skin under the eyes and on the eyelids. Its multi-peptide complex reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles by promoting the skin's natural mechanism to signal collagen production. With a microlift complex, it provides instant and long-term benefits by improving tone and texture. And a hyaluronic sponge delivery system uses microscopic hyaluronic acid sponges to carry active anti-aging ingredients into the skin. In an independent clinical study, 86% of participants felt significant improvement in skin firmness after just 6 hours. You can use this serum morning and night. You just want to get about half of a pea size. You don't want too much because a little bit of this is going to go a long way. So to apply, we'll just pat this underneath our eyes, along our crow's feet, on our upper eyelid, and up over our brow bone. You want to make sure it fully dries before you apply any moisturizers or any cosmetics. And if you want additional treatment, you can use the hydrating under eye gel patches. When you apply these before the serum has fully dried, it's going to help with combating any fine lines and wrinkles and just giving your face that more youthful appearance. These have a moisture-locking hyaluronic acid treatment that when you combine it with the Total Eye Repair Serum, it's really going to help with more absorption and less evaporation. These are great to use in the evening whenever you're winding down and getting ready for bed, or they're perfect for first thing in the morning when you really want to liven up your eyes, especially if you have something super early to get to. You'll want to wear these for at least 15 minutes, so I'm going to grab some tea in my Lashista bottle and let them chill for a bit. Once your 15 minutes are up, you're gonna feel like you just got a facial and a wrap. And that's it. Our lashes are clean and healthy. Our skin is super hydrated. Let's take a look at what we did. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications when we post new content.